Welcome to the WP Smart Contracts tutorial on Backend Smart Contract Deployment. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through the process of deploying a smart contract using the Backend method. Let's get started. Log into your WordPress installation to access the Backend dashboard. Ensure you are logged in to your MetaMask wallet. From the Backend dashboard, click on the desired smart contract family, such as Coins. Select Add New to initiate the process. Choose your preferred flavor for the smart contract. For example, select Macadamia. Follow the on-screen instructions to fill in all the required parameters for the contract. Expand the All Networks option to view the available blockchain networks. Switch to your desired network by clicking on Switch to add it to your MetaMask and set it as the active network. At this point, you have two deployment options: deploying with native coins or deploying with WPIC tokens. We'll demonstrate the deployment with native coins. The fees for deployment will be paid using the native coin of the selected network, like Ether for Ethereum or Matic for Polygon. The estimated equivalent in US dollars will be displayed at the top left of the network section. Click on the green Deploy button to proceed. Carefully read and understand the terms and conditions presented. Confirm your understanding by checking both checkboxes. Click Yes, please proceed to initiate the smart contract deployment. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask and wait for it to complete. Once the deployment is successful, your post will be updated to display the new smart contract information. Congratulations! You've successfully deployed a smart contract using the Backend method. Now you can leverage the power of smart contracts to fuel your blockchain projects.